my god, guys, look at my coins. It's actually generating. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins for ReelShort, absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything major, guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload and type in search ReelShort, and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select our coin amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue, guys. Let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for ReelShort, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with new tutorials. So let's go to the next step and let's see. APK connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message, and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Coins are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the app and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me click on profile. Oh my god, guys, look at my coins. It's actually generating. I can't believe it. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.